Are you looking to transform your API landscape from a tangled mess to a symphony of services that drives results for your business? It's time to join other top companies in becoming API first and get Postman for your enterprise. The Postman API platform helps customers improve productivity and collaboration for their organizations, quality of APIs, and landscape-wide governance. Our platform provides the ability to organize your development, business, and cross-functional teams. With Postman Workspaces, work across any combination of API technologies, architectures, gateways, and deployment systems, whether your APIs are on-prem or in the cloud. Automate any workflow or process using low-code automation tools that run in the Postman API platform around quality, security, and operations. And deploy as part of a comprehensive strategy for business and development teams to work on a single platform. Companies that have adopted Postman and an API-first development principle have happier developers who onboard faster and are retained longer. And they can build software faster, minimize regulatory and security risks, integrate their internal and external business processes more effectively, and create new business opportunities through partner and public APIs. Contact us now to learn more about Postman.